Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to check depreciation area change log. So we will see like who has changed the settings of depreciation area configuration. So let's try here. Enter transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Go to financial accounting here, then asset accounting, then go to general valuation, depreciation areas, and then click on define depreciation area. Double click on define depreciation areas. Enter your chart of depreciation here, then click on enter, then go to utilities here, then click on change log and select the date range here. Suppose I am selecting from Jan 1st. Check this output option here, then click on execute here. Select the first table for define depreciation areas here. Click on OK. Now you can see the change log here and also the type like who has deleted what and what that person has added. So by this way you can check the change log for depreciation area change in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.